Today you can see here Britannia, it went down and came up. So this is why experienced traders say that we need to have experience in order to understand the stock movement. So the price action of this Britannia, or you can say the characteristics of Britannia stock movement is like it usually goes down at the opening of the market during the opening, and then after 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. it goes up slightly, and so that is how it is happening in Britannia. You can see here, if you want, you can see in 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the price action of Britannia. Okay, so you can see that whenever you're trading in Britannia, whenever you have opportunity in Britannia, you can be sure that you can be confident that it might come up because it used to have this characteristics. So if it goes down also, you should have a stop loss and should not panic. So you can see here, till here it has come down and then again up. Okay, and here also the same. Okay, it has gone up and then down again. So it usually does the same thing. So always have some trading journal and record your stocks movements, so that you will get the characteristics of the particular stock, so that you can trade with confidence.